Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing an unboxing. This one's pretty special. And no, it's not a Ripper or Twisted Vehicle. But one is coming in the mail though. I'm not gonna say what it is though. That's a present or whatever. Let's just open this thing. There it is. I don't really care for this box. Ripping it. Toss the box aside. Alright, here it is. You guys might be saying to yourself, ooh, what it is, it's flat, surprisingly. Well, I'll show you, just give me a moment. I bought it because I have something that I want to replace inside of it. I've been wanting to get it because my PlayStation doesn't work. Well, it does, but come on. I'm not too worried about breaking this because I only need parts. Here it is. Oh yeah, and it's definitely rusted in some terminals. But yeah, here it is. But now you may be saying to yourself, wait, why do you need another PlayStation? Don't you already have one? Well, if you didn't hear me, I only bought this just for parts. What's wrong with my first PlayStation? Well, this thing right here, the disk drive, but not like the tray itself, but the thing that holds it down, mine's is broken. It flops around. Here, I'll show you. Maybe this one is stale or still. This one, you can see it's kind of floppy. Here, I'll show you an example. Let me push this button down, or push this button. Okay, it's pretty good, but look. Yeah, see? Doesn't want to go in. Floppy, isn't it? Doesn't want to go in. That's because, hold up, let me turn this off. So what happened to mine was that I was opening it up, just like cleaning it out because it was very dirty at the time. And when I was doing that, I accidentally broke the clips to hold this tray down. Because as you can see, it's floppy, very floppy, and it doesn't want to stay in. Now you may be saying to yourself, well, what are you gonna do? Well, I'm just gonna replace the tray. I'm gonna open it up and replace it. That's pretty much it. And you can see that the white thing or the trigger, it's not aligned properly, or it's fallen out of its place. It's supposed to be right here, but you can see it slide out. Now since it's like this, I'm not too worried about it because I'm gonna replace it, of course. But yeah, I'll keep you updated when I do replace it. It should be pretty simple, no soldering, no nothing, just replace the tray and that's it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See ya.